In this video, I will show you how to enable deposit methods on Coinbase. So first thing we need to do is open up your Coinbase app, and then you have to click on this 9 dots or menu icon at the top of your screen. Then from this screen, you have to click on this profile name of your profile. After that, you will see the similar screen where you will be able to see all of your payment methods. Now what we need to do is to enable the deposit methods. Click on this add a payment method and then select your deposit method that you want to enable, such as your bank account, PayPal, direct deposit, debit card. So just select the preferred payment method from here and then just follow the on-screen instruction to set up your deposit method, and that's it. You can simply enable the deposit method. Now if you want to enable multiple deposit method, again click on this add payment method and then follow the on-screen instructions to enable your another or other deposit methods. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.